Do you want to learn how to make slime with Play-Doh and lotion?
Well, watch this video so you can find out. So this is how you make it. So first, the ingredients you will need is any color
Play-Doh.
I have orange in here.
I have red.
Yep. So all you need is Play-Doh and any kind of lotion. So yeah, let's get started. So first, we're just gonna do pink slime. This is how you want it to look like.
Yeah, this is how you want it.
We're still working with ours, but you want it to look kind of like that.
Yeah.
So yeah,
cause I got pink.
Yeah. Where did the slime go?
The Play-Doh?
Yeah, the Play-Doh. Okay, we're just gonna make blue slime. What's most valuable. So first, what you're gonna do is take out.
Oh, I see it. It's right here.
Oh well, I already opened this up. So first, you're gonna take out the Play-Doh, and you're just kind of going to play with it for like 10 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After you play it with like 10 seconds or more seconds, then what you're going to do is add a little bit of lotion at a time. Mix it together. And you're going to keep playing with it until it gets into a consistency of smoothness and it's a little stretchy. So keep mixing. It might get a little messy, but that means it is working, because if the more messier, the more it's working. Okay, we're still working with ours, but we will come back when all of ours is almost at slime, or like directly like at slime. So yeah. So you're going to just gonna keep adding lotion. And this is not our own recipe. This is a recipe we got offline on YouTube, but but yeah, you're gonna keep mixing, and we will see you guys when our slimes are slime. Yeah, done. So this is what our slimes look like. So this is what mine look like. It's an orange color, and it's very smooth, and it stretches a little bit. Now, Davion, your turn.
This is my blue slime. It's stretchy and smooth, just like hers.
Your turn.
This is my red slime, and it's stretchy a little bit.
And it needs more lotion a little bit.
This is my slime, and it's smooth and scratchy just like hers.
And that is our slime. So I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you subscribe down below and like the video. And don't forget to put on the notification bell so you can know, you could get notified every time we post a video. So bye guys.
Bye.